Hello guys, this device came in today for repair. We sold this phone last week and the guy is having this problem. So this is very simple fix. This device was stuck on Apple logo. Went to the Apple told him to restore. They charged him $20 to restore because he went to the Jump Start, not direct to Apple. So they charge him $20 for diagnostic and they return the device. It's a hardware problem. So the hardware problem is here. I will show you. I already restored the device. What I did, because when this guy brought in this device, it was stuck on the Apple logo. So I already restored it. Sooner I restored it, the device back to working. And also sooner I connected to the proximity sensor again, and it was keep rebooting. As you can see it here, I disconnect the proximity sensor, the phone came back on. First I just connect the new one and restart it. See, it came on, no issue at all.
There you go. We all set. Now I'm going to charge him $50 for the card and save his phone. So let's go back. Maybe we don't charge anything because this guy purchased the phone from us. Maybe I don't charge him anything. There you go. Okay, so it goes like this. Perfect. He is all set. This is a very common problem on iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max.
So here was the problem. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.